Looking for a fun and easy way to serve watermelon at a kid's party? Let's make watermelon sticks, perfect for little hands and super simple to do. Start with a whole watermelon. Instead of cutting directly in the center, shift about an inch to the side and make your cut there. This way, one half will be slightly smaller, and that's just what we want. Take the smaller half and scoop out all the watermelon flesh with a spoon. You can save this part for smoothies, snacks, or fruit salad. Set the empty shell aside. We'll use it later. Now place the bigger half cut side down on your cutting board. Carefully trim off the green watermelon. Rind from all sides until only the red flesh is showing. Then, slice the watermelon vertically into thick slabs. And again horizontally to create a grid of even sticks. Now here's the fun part. Take that empty watermelon shell from earlier and place it over the sticks. Lift off the cutting board. Hold it steady, then flip the whole thing over and ta-da! Perfectly cut watermelon sticks, ready to serve and enjoy.